Our topic for today is about molar volume of a gas. At the end of this video, you will be able to define the molar volume, recognize the relation between molar volume, number of moles, and the volume of a gas. Solve applications related to the molar volume of a gas. Gases don't have their own volume. The volume occupied by a gas depends on the conditions of temperature and pressure. Scientists discovered that 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters at a specific temperature and pressure. They call these temperature and pressure the standard conditions of temperature and pressure, or STP. So STP stands for the standard conditions of temperature and pressure. So at STP, the temperature is equal to 273.15 Kelvin, which is equivalent to 0 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is equal to 10 to the power 5 Pascal, equal to 1 atmosphere. This brings us to the concept of the molar volume. So the molar volume, denoted by the capital letter V with a lower subscript m, of a certain gas is the volume occupied by 1 mole of this gas. This volume depends on the temperature and the pressure of the gas. So under standard conditions, the molar volume of a gas is equal to 22.4 liters per mole, or sometimes it's equal to 24 liters per mole, depending on the conditions of temperature and pressure. So there is a relationship between the volume of a certain gas and the molar volume of a gas. Under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, we can say that the number of moles of this gas is equal to the volume occupied by the gas divided by the molar volume. But if you want to calculate the volume of this gas, you can use the following triangle, where the volume occupied by the gas, it is equal to the number of moles times the molar volume. Sometimes you need to deduce or to calculate the molar volume, so it's so easy. The molar volume is equal to the volume occupied by this gas divided by the number of moles. So let's solve the following application in order to understand more how to use the concept of molar volume in our calculations. Calculate the number of moles of oxygen gas if its occupied volume is 2.4 liters, and given for you the molar volume here is equal to 24 liters per mole. So here I'm going to use the following formula, where the number of mole of oxygen is equal to the occupied volume divided by the molar volume, where small letter n always it's the number of moles of the gas, capital letter V it's the volume of the gas in liter, and capital letter V with a small letter m, it's the molar volume in liter per mole. So here you have just to substitute the given values, and we will get that the number of mole for oxygen gas here it's equal to 2.4 liters, the volume of this gas, divided by 24 liters per mole, so it will be equal to 0.1 mole. Let's solve another application. Determine the volume of nitrogen gas if the number of moles is equal to 0.5 mole. So I'm going to use the same formula here, but in this application I need to calculate the volume of nitrogen gas. So I'm going to use the triangle. I will look here at the triangle. The volume occupied by nitrogen gas, it must be equal to the number of mole times the molar volume. So you have just to substitute the value here. We will get that the volume occupied by nitrogen gas, it's equal to 0.5 mole times the given molar volume, and it will be equal to 11.2 liters. Thanks for watching. See you next time.